Hello, I hope you're all doing okay. So today I'm doing something that is so exciting for me because like a few weeks ago I was able to acquire some yarn, and these are just some yarn that I've never had my hands on. Even just thinking about it, I'm super excited. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if all this yarn belong to one person or they're from different people, but I think it's like some scrap yarn from whatever it was. And I'm super glad it landed on my hands, and I want to make the most out of this yarn. So the first yarn that I wanted to try to make something with is this. Let me try to see if that's the yarn that I have. So yeah, this is the yarn that I want to begin with. So I already started making a skirt using this yarn, and this is what I have so far. So now I'm just gonna complete this with you. I'm so happy with the pattern. This is just so exciting to me because it is something that I've never had and it just feels different. I'm always working with the local yarn that is produced here, and this is just something that is not made here, so it is interesting to me and it's super exciting. So yeah, let me continue making this and then we'll see what it looks like once I'm done. But this is what I have so far. I'm finally done with the skirt and this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with the final result. It looks so good, it fits so well. I kind of wish it was like an inch longer, but it's all good. It's not super short, it's still wearable, so I'm happy with that. And actually this is my first time making a skirt and it looks so good. I'm just happy with it. I decided to do a simple stitch so that I can let the colors shine, and I'm just happy with that decision because it looks amazing. I'm happy with it. I love it so much. I hope you like it too. I'm just excited about this and I can't really wait to try out all this yarn because I've never had this much yarn and all these colors and all these textures. It's just exciting to me and I'm really looking forward to trying out the next thing and the next and after that and all. So I'm really excited to try that, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.